Hi, I'm Diane. The memory of a beautiful boy drives his mother to spread joy and love all year long. Today, you and I and my two beautiful daughters are celebrating the legacy of this one incredible boy whose spirit inspires his mother, Ashley, to bring joy to 542 children this holiday season. It's called Kurt's Christmas. Yes, it's an extension of Kurt's Closet. It was started probably 3 years ago, maybe 4, but I'm thinking 3 years ago. Every child deserves to wake up Christmas morning with presents under the tree. It's so important. They look forward to it all year long. And because of this one little boy, every child in this county where we live is going to have a joyous Christmas. Thanks to that boy, Kurt, and to his mother, Ashley, who started this wonderful program. Now, are you ready for a road trip? Okay, let's go. And I'm going to explain to you how this daunting task is accomplished. It's awesome. Let's go. Hey guys.
Hang on. Thought she was gonna let us talk.
Okay, y'all can say hello.
Okay, we're Diane's daughters. I'm Chassie.
And I'm Ashley, her twin sister. Not really.
No.
They are daylight and dark, as you can see. Short and tall, blonde and brunette.
You better not go any further.
The end.
That's it.
That's where we cut
I'm gonna
it
go
off.
down a little
20
bit.
and
Oh, there you
22.
go. There you
20 and 22.
Exactly.
go. Okay, right. Okay, guys, we are going to take a tour of this place at Christmas. So here we go.
This is the gratitude wall, and it is full of thank you notes from people in the community, businesses, families that have been impacted by Kurt's Closet, and lots of pictures of Kurt and of people who have experienced the wonderful things that Kurt's Closet does for the community.
Show Kurt's picture up there. Did you show him?
There's Kurt. I took that picture.
I love that picture.
Okay, let's go to the showroom, Chassie.
Can we keep it on?
Button off. Look at the windows, guys. Go down that side.
Depending on what season it's in. And we have families that are as large as 8 children.
Chassie is my camera person today.
A little fun fact, up to date, we have served just over 3,200 kids.
Oh, wow.
And so if you want to talk about items and articles, that is 57,000 kids.
These are the blue jeans at the
In our
end.
warehouse, in our showroom.
What are in these drawers? I don't remember.
It's insane.
What is that? Men's socks and underwear. Yeah, that's what that is. Okay. Get the Christmas decorations on top of it.
We stock clothes from 3 months all the way to adult 3X, and we serve birth through 19.
This
So
is
up
all
to their
ages,
21st
guys,
day, they're eligible to shop
from
with us.
grammar
We get
school
of single
up
moms,
to
single
12th
moms,
grade.
moms that come in and shop for themselves.
These kids get to come in and shop and get whatever they want.
Not many places do that.
No, they don't. No, especially not to the age
I
of
think they're
19.
allowed, do you know,
Especially like
Chassie,
the
20 items maybe?
That sounds right.
And we firmly live on the motto of if you're asking for help, we firmly believe that you need it. So our income requirements are not necessarily requirements. We work within other income guidelines. So as long as they're family quality.
We're on.
Further. I don't want to roll down the hill. Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay, this is the Christmas shed we're coming up on. This is where all the toys are stored for the 542 children. 187 families.
Hi. You're telling the story, so now I don't have to tell the story.
No, go ahead, tell us.
No. You've covered it. 500. I think you had a little different figure than what she gave me, but ours may have
It
increased.
went up the last time.
The video.
Oh, you want to get inside and show us some of the toys?
Sure.
Or-
Yeah.
Let's go over to the door.
Yeah, we'll go inside. And then I will explain to you how this all happens. Okay, this is where they store all the toys all year long. And then every child that they sponsor for Christmas gets to fill out a wish list for Santa. So you're wondering, I'm sure, how they could possibly figure out what goes where for 542 children. They have a huge box, a huge box, and it has a number on it. It's the number of a family. The families, I think she said 187. Each box will have a number on it. They put everything that belongs to that family inside that box.
Or multiple boxes, depending on what we need.
Yeah. And then they take the boxes in that transfer truck. Everything's donated. The boxes are donated. That truck, show that truck. That truck is donated by a local trucker. And they have volunteers that come and load all the boxes in the truck. And I'm sure it takes more than one trip. And they take it to our National Guard Armory. And they put grids on the floor, make them squares and number the squares. So each box goes in a square. And then the families all come one day and they find their number and take their box to their car and unload it. And that's how they get their gifts, and that's how they keep everything straight. It's just mind-blowing how they actually pull it off every year. I think she said the first year they had 17 families. The first year they did it. And now it's 187. And each family gets a grocery card with money loaded on it for groceries from a local grocery store. Not Walmart, but a grocery store. So, that's how this works. Now we're at the building where they sort all of the clothes and keep them washed and ironed. And this is the bridge that I love so much out here. There's lots of people here today because it is an open house. Let's take a peek inside this building.
She already tried once and she already started crying.
There's Santa Claus chassis. Okay, guys, I think this is all you need to know is how they do Christmas here. So, we'll see you later. Love's coming your way.